Good afternoon, student. Now in halogen derivative, after the nomenclature of the halogen derivative, now today we are studied about the preparation of the alkyl halide. Preparation of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means RX. These are called as alkyl halide. Now these alkyl halide we can prepare by different method. Out of this, first one we can start, that is from alcohol. From alcohol we can convert this alcohol into alkyl halide. Now then these alcohols are reacted with hydrogen halide. These are also called as hydrogen acid. Now there are the three type of the hydrogen halide, that is HI, HBr and HCl. Now the order of reactivity in this one, that is HI is more reactive than HBr than HCl. Now in this alcohol one, there are also three type of the alcohol: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, secondary and tertiary. Now in this order of reactivity, the tertiary alcohol, it is more reactive than secondary than primary, means the tertiary alcohol is highly reactive than other one. Now in this one we can prepare the alkyl halide by using these three hydrogen halide. Then out of this, the first one, that is HCl. HCl. Now this HCl, it is less reactive than HBr and HI. Therefore it can require the catalyst like anhydrous zinc chloride ZnCl2 for the preparation of the alkyl halide. Now we can take here the first the general reaction ROH. It is the alcohol. Now this alcohol, when reacted with HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, then we can prepare here RCl plus H2. Means this is the substitution reaction. In this, the OH group, it is substituted by the chlorine atom. Here is the formation of the RCl, alkyl halide. Now we can take here the three examples: primary, secondary and tertiary. The primary alcohol C2H5OH, it is the primary alcohol. The name is ethyl alcohol. It is reacted with HCl in the presence of catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2. Then OH is substituted by the chlorine. Here is the formation of the product ethyl chloride plus H2, ethyl chloride. It is the primary alcohol. Now second, this is the secondary alcohol. The OH is present at the secondary carbon atom, secondary alcohol. The name is isopropyl alcohol. It is reacted with HCl. Then by using the same catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, we can prepare here isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride Then third example, tertiary alcohol. This is the tertiary alcohol. The name is tertiary butyl. 4 carbon atoms are present. Tertiary butyl alcohol plus HCl in the presence of. Now this reaction is carried out. Tertiary alcohol reaction with HCl in the absence of the zinc chloride. Then here is the formation of the tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Like this, the HCl, it is reacted with primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol in the presence of the anhydrous ZnCl2. Here is the formation of the alkyl halide. Now from alcohol, reaction with HBr. From alcohol, reaction with now HBr. Now when this alcohol reacted with HBr in the presence of the catalyst, here HBr is also less reactive, therefore the catalyst is required NaBr and concentrated sulfuric acid. First one, primary alcohol, C2H5OH, primary alcohol, name is ethyl alcohol plus HBr. Then in the presence of the catalyst NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. Here is the OH is substituted by the Br atom. Then the product ethyl bromide is formed plus H2O. Then secondary alcohol, plus HBr, same catalyst NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. Then here is the formation of isopropyl bromide. Now third one, tertiary alcohol. This is the tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Now reaction with HBr. Now here tertiary alcohol, it is more reactive than secondary and primary. Therefore the catalyst is required NaBr plus dilute sulfuric acid. For primary and secondary, these are less reactive. Therefore here the concentrated sulfuric acid is required. But tertiary alcohol is reactive, then here the dilute sulfuric acid is required. The product is, instead of OH, here the Br atom is substituted. Then student, you can write this answer 1, product. Like this we are prepared here the alkyl halide by using HBr. Like this one. Now third preparation, that is C, we can prepare the alkyl halide by using HI, hydrogen iodide. From alcohol C by using HI. Now when this alcohol, it is reacted with HI. Now here the catalyst is required, that is sodium plus H3PO3. H3PO3 means phosphoric acid. Then OH is substituted by iodine, C2H5OI is formed here. Now it is the ethyl iodide. Like this one, secondary and tertiary also. CH3, CH, CH3, OH. This is the secondary alcohol. Name is isopropyl alcohol plus HI. Then same catalyst, write down the product student. Simple one, OH is substituted by iodine 1. Like this third one, the tertiary alcohol. This is the tertiary butyl alcohol plus HI. In the presence of, now in the absence of the catalyst, this tertiary alcohol, it is reacted with HI. Then write the friends the product of this one. Like this one, we can prepare the alkyl halide by using the 3 hydrogen halide HCl, HBr and HI. Now from alcohol, we can now prepare the alkyl halide by using fourth one, that is phosphorus halides one. Now fourth one, that is from alcohol, we can prepare the alkyl halide by using phosphorus halide. Now student, phosphorus halide, there are the two type of phosphorus halide, PX3 and PX5. PX3 means phosphorus trichloride and PX5 means phosphorus pentachloride. PX3 means there are the 3 example, PCl3, PBr3 and PI3. Out of this, these two are not stable one. These two are not stable. Only PCl3 is stable. Then we can study it only reaction with PCl3. Now in PX5, there are also 3 example, PCl5, PBr5 and PI5. Out of this, these two are not exist. They are not present in our environmental condition. Only PCl5 is present. Now in new syllabus, there is the only reaction with PCl3. Then from alcohol, we can reaction with phosphorus halide, we can form the alkyl halide. Now the general reaction ROH, it is alcohol plus reaction with phosphorus trichloride. Now on heating one, now students, here the 3 halide atoms are present. Therefore, we can take the 3 molecules of the alcohol. Then here is the formation of OH is substituted by the X atom. Then here is the formation of alkyl halide RX plus byproduct is H3PO3. H3PO3 means phosphoric acid. It is phosphoric acid. Now the example, now take any one example here, primary, secondary, any one. Now ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus reaction with PCl3. On heating, the OH is substituted by Cl. It is the ethyl chloride plus byproduct same H3PO3, phosphoric acid. Like this one, secondary example, this is the secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. It is reaction with PCl3, same one. On heating one, now OH is substituted by Cl. Then friends, you can write this product one. Then this is the fourth one, sub-reaction, that is by using phosphorus halide, we can prepare the alkyl halide. Then fifth one reaction, that is from alcohol, we are prepare the alkyl halide by using thionyl chloride. Fourth one, from alcohol, we can prepare the Rx by using thionyl chloride. SOCl2, it is called as thionyl chloride. Now reaction, general reaction, ROH plus SOCl2 on heating. Here is the formation of RCl, alkyl halide, plus byproduct SO2 gas plus HCl gas. Now out of these 5 reaction, different preparation one, this reaction with thionyl chloride is mostly industrially used because in this byproducts are SO2 and HCl, both are gaseous one, and these are easily eliminated. Then here it is the general reaction. Now the example, take any example like ethyl alcohol plus SOCl2. Then here is the ethyl chloride is formed plus SO2 and HCl. Then by using next any one example, any alcohol, we can also prepare the alkyl halide. Then student, after this first one preparation, that is from alcohol, in this 5 sub reaction we can study today. That is first one by using hydrogen halide, means from HCl. Second one by using HBr. Third one by using HI. Fourth one phosphorus halide, and fifth one by using thionyl chloride. Then in next video we can study the next preparation. Thank you.